My name's Kelly Taylor. I'm the country head for Domino's Pizza in Denmark. We have 13 locations currently here in Denmark. When we took over the market, everything was closed, so we've reopened the market from 0 stores to 13 in about 13 months. We made the decision when we bought the Danish market that we would use all of the bells and whistles that came with Zenput. So we use the checklists, the temperatures and the labels. For me I kind of see it as my eyes in the store, so I don't need to be in a store to know exactly what's happening at any time. And I can see if the checklists are getting done and who's doing it. And because all of the checklists everyone has to attach a photo for every checklist, so I can see whether or not it actually is being done. And also, I think our team are much happier having this equipment available to them and having these systems available to them than if they didn't. I think some of the guys we have working for us now used to work in the old system when they didn't have it, and you know, they really love this, and it definitely increases their job satisfaction. I think that's definitely true. I love the temperature sensors. The good thing about the temperature sensors is that, first of all, it tells you before it's a problem. It tells you, if you have it set up properly, it tells you as it's becoming a problem, so that you can fix it before it's too far gone. And it comes straight to you. So I'm not reliant on a manager having to check that their cold room's in temperature, or I'm not reliant on there's no user error. It's just a thermometer that sends me an email if it's out of range, and so I know straight away exactly what's wrong and I can fix it before it becomes, you know, a cold room worth of food that needs to go in the bin. One of my favourite things about the design of our thick shake freezers is that the on and off switch is directly on the front at about leaning height. Very often they will lean on that freezer and turn it off, which is incredibly frustrating. So we've had several occasions where they have leant on a freezer and turned it off, and nobody would know that it was off, because, you know, especially a frozen product, it can take hours to start thawing out enough to actually see that there's a problem. I will get an alert as soon as that air temperature cools or warms up. I will get an alert telling me that the temperature's dramatically changed, and so I can call the store and say, turn the freezer back on. There is some cost involved to using these systems, but for us, you know, the temperature tracking, it has already saved us at least 3 thick shake freezers worth of product. It's saved us 2 cold rooms worth of product. You know, we can already get that cost back just in equipment that we've managed to save the food in. This means that food is always dated correctly. You can't get it wrong. The system doesn't get it wrong, doesn't make mistakes. And it means that we're rotating food better because we know that the dates are correct, and so we're throwing less food away, which is also good. I would say use it for a week, and then in a week you would see that not only do you want Zenput in your store, but you need Zenput in your store. You need Zenput in your business, because just that overview that it gives you, the eyes in the stores when you're not there, it's just so good for that. It means that you will save money on food wastage, you'll save money on temperature. So if your equipment's not working properly, then you'll save money there. You'll definitely save money on productivity in the store, because you'll know that the time is being spent doing the things that it should be spent doing. For me, I just think in this market especially, but in any market, just the confidence that you can have knowing that the system is working, that what's happening in your stores is working, that the food you're selling is safe, that you're not wasting money, you're using the store efficiently, or you're running the store efficiently.